Anyone got the answer? Everyone having video off, then no one is replying also.
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay. Good. See, you can directly chat, this one chat, you can send me a message that IDK means I don't know. If anyone is having difficulty in solving these questions. Ideally, everyone should get, because we are doing revision part, and obviously also we will study these topics. But then also, if anyone finding difficult, then we can discuss once again. Okay, see. Diagram is not given, but it will be like this only. Triangle ABC, D is 1 point on BC, and this angle ADC is given equal to BAC. So we can take this triangle. This will be common angle, angle C. So we can take triangle. We can prove triangle. This one ABC is similar triangle, small one. ABC is full triangle. We can make similar to a small triangle. So see how we can write in sequence. C is there, no? C. Here also C is there. So C will come at end. And angle A, this is angle A of bigger triangle ABC equal to angle D. So for small triangle, in place of A, D will come. And remaining value is in small triangle is ADC. Smaller triangle is basically triangle ADC. So in place bigger triangle A, then for bigger triangle A, small triangle D will come, because A is equal to D, means angle A is equal to angle D. And C is common, so in place of CC. And for small triangle, this one vertex is remaining DAC. Now we can take side ratio. This is by angle similarity criteria. So we can take side ratio. See here we want CA. So first we'll take CA or AC, CA or AC, no problem. CA means end values. So we can say DC. Again we can take CA in here in this side, CA or AC, because CA square we have to find. CA square we have to find. So in this triangle now we will take CA. And this is the last two values. Here it will become BC. So we can do cross multiplication. So CA square or AC square equal to BC into DC or CD. Hence proved. Why? Because one time we'll take CA from here, other time we'll CA from here. Because for this triangle we'll write in denominator side. For triangle ABC we'll write in numerator. So first time numerator means AC from triangle ABC, and second time in denominator AC from triangle DAC, because we want CA square. CA square will only come when we write in this fashion. Numerator CA, then again denominator also CA, correct. So we will get the answer. Right. This is not the solution in case now you didn't find got the answer. Otherwise, put tick mark in your classwork notebook. Means answer is correct. Those who got the answer, no, please try question number. This one from here. Question number 16. Question number 16 you can try. See, in question section, AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR, respectively, where triangle are similar. We have to prove AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. Arvind, Kritika, Navneet, Pravanjan, Sijal, Tanvi. Everyone try this question. After this, now 2 exercises will be remaining. So we'll try to see some questions and important questions on those remaining 2 exercises also. First, complete this question. See, AB and PQ are sides of the triangle, and AD and PM are, we can say, medians, length of medians. So we can a two-step method for this question. We can prove now similarity of triangles, two triangles containing median value or median length. See, A, BC and PQR are similar. So triangle, this is triangle ABC, suppose. Here we have PQR. And these two are similar, they have given already. And AD and PM are medians. So AD, so median will divide the opposite sides into equal parts. Let this be AD and let this be PM. No problem. Say. So what we'll do, we'll take these two triangles. We'll make these two triangles similar, because by making these two triangles similar, we'll get the answer. This triangle, this one triangle, and this triangle will make similar. How we can prove this one? See, we write in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, angle B equal to angle Q, because we have full triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. So by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle, angle B will be equal to angle Q, not an issue. Now, again, as triangle is similar, so we can say AB by BC will be equal to, in place of AB, this PQ will come, and for BC, QR will come. Because by CPST, 1 second, because if triangle ABC and PQR are similar, then their sides will be, corresponding sides will be in equal ratio, and angles, all the angles will be equal. So, but we have taken AB, then PQ, and BC, then QR, and angle between these two sides, angle B and angle Q. Fine. So this will be the by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. AB is fine. BC is also fine. So we can take, now BC we can write as 2BD. BC we can write as 2BD. PQ is fine, and QR we write twice of QM, because BC will be equal to twice of BD, because both the length are equal. BD equal to CD, because AD is a median, so this BD will equal to CD, and PM is median, so QM will be equal to MR, and we can say QR equal to twice of QM. Same thing we have written here, and now we can cancel. We got AB by BD equal to PQ by QM, and angle between them, angle B equal to angle Q. Hence we can say this one. These two triangles will be similar. This tick ones. Hence we can say AB. Once we have this triangle similar, this triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. So we can write AB by PQ equal to this one, AD length of median by PM. Hence proved. Once we prove this one, triangle ABD similar triangle PQM, then we can write AB by PQ equal to AD by PM, not an issue. Okay, approved. So we can solve by this one. Please note the solution in 1 minute, then we'll see. Next exercise questions. Small triangle, we can make them similar. What will be symmetric criteria? Side, angle, side. No two sides are having same ratio. An angle between them is equal. And by CPST we can write AB by PQ equal to AD by PM, because sides will be in equal ratio. The sides will be in same ratio. Side and the side, correct. Noted everyone? Please note the solution. If you want, you can take these triangles also. This one also you can take any one half of the triangle. So this will also we can, by making this other half similar, we'll also get the answer. No problem. Fine. Question was easy. Now see next exercise, because next is 6.4. In this exercise, they have mentioned if two triangles are similar, so area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR will be equal to first AB by PQ whole square will be equal to BC by QR whole square equal to CA by PR whole square. Where are the two triangles? What are the two triangles? Will be like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So in this exercise, fourth exercise 6.4, if two triangles are similar, they have given area of triangle ABC by ratio of area of triangle ABC by to that of area of triangle PQR will be equal to AB by AB, then corresponding side AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR whole square, and AC by PR whole square. Correct. Now we'll see some question of 6.4. So 8th and 9th one you can try first. 8th one and 9th one question. First 8th one, then 9th one also. Objective question can be asked directly this time, because objective question more objective question they will ask this time in boards. So we can expect 8th number question directly.
Sir, over, sir.
Which one is the option?
Sir, 8th one, C, sir.
C option.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 9th one, please try. 8th one, let me solve for other students, for many students. See, in triangle ABC and BD are two equilateral triangles. Okay. One is ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles. Okay. D will be one midpoint of BC. Here will be, we can say D point. BD we have drawn. So this is equilateral triangle. So angle will be equal. So we can say this will be this one side we know. So this we can say as A. Let me draw one first diagram. So we can say this is triangle ABC, and this one point midpoint of BC. Right. So this BD will be equal to this one. We take E point, and BD will be equal to ED, and this will be B equal. Then we have to find area of triangle ABC, big one, and area of triangle BD. Right, BD, this one, small one. So you can say these two triangles will be similar because this angle will be equal, and these are the midpoint. So by 6.1, or we can say reverse of 6.1, this angle will be equal, corresponding angles. These two triangles will be similar. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle A, then B, for the ABC, then EBD will come ABC as per sequence. EBD will be equal to AB, then we'll take small b square. AB we can take twice of B because A is the midpoint, of AB. So B will be equal to A by B we can say square. B cancel, 2 square 4. 4 is to 1 is the answer. 4 basically only 4. That means 4 is to 1 is the answer. Option C is correct. And for 9th,
Sir,
yes.
sir, I took AB is equal to X and B is equal to X by 2, sir.
No problem. AB because now AB will take X. So B is basically half of AB. AB by 2.
Yes, sir.
So X by 2. No
Then
this also we can see.
X will get cancelled, sir.
Correct. Here also now see. Because these two triangles will be similar, because BD will be equal to B and angle will be 60. So these are angles of 60 because triangles are equilateral. All the angles will be 60 degrees. So we can say easily prove these two are similar, and then we can take the ratios. So triangle ABC by triangle EBD will be equal to AB by B. AB then B, AB by B whole square. So AB we can write twice of B because AE will be equal to B because E will be midpoint of this AB. Then only because BD is equal to B and BD is half of BC, and this ABC triangle is equal to triangle ABC. So BC will be equal to AB and half of A will be B. First one is the right answer. For 9th one?
9th one I got D, sir.
See, ratio, sides ratio are given. Area ratio you have to find. Area ratio A1 by A2 will be equal to side ratio square. Side ratio square. Sides ratio are given. 4 square 16 by 81. That is option number 2. 16 by 81 is the right answer, because we know from this concept exercise that ratio of these sides is square, ratio of this area of the two similar triangles equal to square of the ratio of the sides, square of the ratio of the sides. Correct. Now we'll see next one. Athavasya means basically hypotenuse plus square is equal to T square, perpendicular square plus base square. This proof will not come this time. Here we have this one 6.6 exercise, and after 6.6 now we have 6.6 option. The option is not required at this point of time. If anyone wants to solve, then they can solve, but normally questions will not be asked from optional this time. So question 17, one last question for today. The remaining some questions we'll see this one in our next session for triangle, and then we'll start next chapter. Next chapter will be linear equation into variables. 17, one last question for today. What is the answer? Anyone got the answer?
Sir, 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Okay, 90 degree. Okay. See, answer is correct. And here we can see, take the correct option. Okay. Triangle ABC is given. Angle AB is this one. AC and BC is given. So now before drawing a triangle, first we can see Pythagoras theorem, because chapter is actually Pythagoras theorem. This exercise is based on Pythagoras theorem. So longest side will be AC. AC square will find 144. And other two sides we can add square values. So 6 root 3 square, remaining two sides, 6 square we can add. So this will be 36. 6 square 36 into 3 root 3 square 3 plus 36. So this will get 108, 36 3 are 108 plus 36, 144. Okay, good. That is same. So we can write, hence we can write 12 square means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That means Pythagoras theorem is applicable, and one right angle triangle will get. One right angle triangle will get, because this Pythagoras theorem is applicable for this triangle. How will make say AB square plus BC square? So that means this will be B. Angle B will be 90 degrees, because AB square plus BC square. AB will be, suppose perpendicular, this will be base. So we can say, we can take any one, AB or BC, any one base, then others will be perpendicular, and this will be hypotenuse AC. So angle B will be basically 90 degree. Got it? So this will be 90 degree AC. Because we have just this exercise based on Pythagoras theorem only. So directly we can first check that the square of the third side, that is longest side, that is AC, hypotenuse, is equal to this now AB square plus BC square now. If it is equal, then that means this triangle is right angle triangle, and we can accordingly the side is AB square plus BC square. That means AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. That means B will be 90 degree. So option B only we have to find. So B will be 90 degree. Correct. Actually we can check. This is Pythagoras theorem is applicable. That means angle B will be 90 degree. Correct. Please note the answer. And after this now, we have to end the meeting, and we can also log out. And in case anyone has a doubt, they can share that. The others can end the session. So in our next session, we'll see triangle. This is some more questions of this triangle chapter, and then we'll start linear equation into variables.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain me Pythagoras theorem proof, sir, once?
So proof is here. Start of this
Sir,
exercise.
yes, sir. Converse of Pythagoras theorem, sir.
This is the converse of Pythagoras theorem, you can say. See, converse
Yes,
of Pythagoras theorem, they have used congruency condition. See, first thing, proof of this Pythagoras theorem will not come because it's been deleted. And converse thing,
Yes.
let me explain. And only we have to study those questions which will definitely come in exam. Let me check from my end also. So in this now triangle chapter, two proofs they have deleted. Ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles equal to the ratio of the square of the sides. This will not be asked. And then this is the Pythagoras theorem. Triangle, the square of the one side equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The angle is opposite to the third side is right angle. So these two side proofs they have omitted. So portion for this now tomorrow test. So I've told now triangle chapter, and then this the area related to circle, area related to circles. So before that, we had exam of circle chapter. Now we have area related to circle and this triangle chapter, ongoing chapter. Triangle chapter, one more session we have, and then we start linear equation to variables. Area related to circles and triangle chapter we can prepare. See, for this proof,
Hello.
For this proof, say if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then angle opposite to the first side is a right angle triangle. So first, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, it's given. That means this is given for first triangle, and that means angle, we have to prove this is angle is basically 90 degree. We have to prove angle B is 90 degree. See, we'll draw one triangle, we'll construct one more triangle PQR such that this now, such that in such a way that PQ is equal to, say, in such a, we have to prove angle B as 90 degree. We'll construct one triangle PQR such that AB is equal to PQ and angle BC side equal to RQ, and fine, angle PQ is equal to AB and BC equal to RQ. Okay, so we can write this as AB square plus BC square. Now we can write as AB square. So AB is equal to PQ. So PQ square plus BC we can write as RQ square.
RQ.
Right. Now, also angle Q will be right angle here. Angle Q is right. See, we have to construct proper right angle triangle PQR such that AB equal to PQ and BC equal to QR. So this angle Q is 90 degrees. So we can write this PQ square plus RQ square equal to PR square, right? And this AP square plus this PQ square plus RQ square equal to PR square by Pythagoras theorem, because angle Q was 90 degrees. First case, theorem 6.8 we can say here. And AB square we can write as AB square. We'll write in terms of, say, PQ square plus RQ square is equal to PR square upon a problem. So we can say this now. AB, we write this one as AB square. RQ, we can write AB. See, AB is PQ or PQ is AB. So AB square. RQ is basically BC square equal to PR square. And AB square plus BC square, what is the value? They have given equal to AC square. Got it? AC square equal to PR square. And then, see, what is the method basically? See, first we'll construct proper one right angle at Q, and we'll use Pythagoras theorem. That is, we can say PR, because angle Q is 90 degrees, so PR square equal to PQ square plus RQ square. Now PQ, now we have constructed in such a way that AB is equal to PQ. So PQ we write AB square. PQ is basically equal to RQ. So this RQ will be BC square. BC is equal to RQ, BC square. And AB square plus BC square they are given as AC square. They are given only. So we can say hence PR square equal to AC square. So root we can take both sides. So this will be PQ is equal to AC. PQ is also equal to AC. So we can say all the three sides are equal. See, AB is already we have taken equal to PQ. BC we have already taken equal to RQ. And third side also equal, AC equal to PR. That means by side congruency criteria, these two triangles will be congruent. These two triangles will be congruent. And by CPCT, corresponding part of similar congruent triangles, CPCT, this angle B will be 90 degrees. And the main thing is to construct one triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and one more condition we can have, AB equal to PQ and BC equal to QR. And then we can write the Pythagoras theorem for the second triangle, that is PR square equal to PQ square plus RQ square. Then PQ is equal to AB, so AB square we write for PQ, and RQ square means RQ is equal to BC, to BC square. AB square plus BC square, they have given in question AC square. Ultimately, PR square will become AC square. Try to do from this one time from your by yourself. So PR will be equal to AC. So basically, PR will be equal to AC. So we can say PR square equal to AC. So this will be PR. Sorry. So PR will be equal to AC, square root of both. Now we have all the three sides are equal because AB we have taken already as equal to PQ, BC equal to RQ, and on third side AC is also equal to PR. All the three sides are equal, means by side triple S criteria, these two triangles will be congruent, and by CPCT we can say angle B, angle Q is 90, so this will be also 90. And
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Sir, for tomorrow test triangle and areas related to circle,
Correct,
sir.
correct. Right. These two chapters, triangles and area reduce. Triangle full chapter, and whatever syllabus is there, whatever the questions will come, and area reduce circle also complete chapter.
Okay. Full chapters both.
Right. Thank you.